Loop Tools is a great add-on for different things you want to do with your models. First, go to Edit, Preferences, get Extensions, and do a search for Loop. Click Install. Now it's activated. Go into Edit mode on your model. Let's start with Bridge. Select the edge loops across from each other from two disconnected models. Right-click, go to Loop Tools, and then Bridge. You can adjust the segments and the spread of the edge loops. Next we have Circle. In Edit mode, select the edge loops that you want to turn into a circle. Right-click, go to Loop Tools, and then Circle. If you use Curve, select 3 or more vertices. Right-click Loop Tools and select Curve. It will interpolate the rest of the vertices with it. Flatten will take a bunch of faces that are offset from each other and then flatten them together. So select the faces you want to flatten, Loop Tools, and Flatten. While preparing this video, I discovered that this feature, G-Stretch, no longer works with versions 4.3 and up so far. Until the tool gets updated, we won't be able to use this one, unless you go back before 4.3. Moving on to Loft. Go into Edit mode where you have a bunch of edges or vertices, and select them all. Right-click, Loop Tools, and Loft. Relax will average out the vertices that you have selected, but it will change the shape of your model. Space allows you to space out the vertices along a selected edge. What's different about this from Relax is that it'll maintain the shape of your model. I use these tools all the time with different models that I make, from characters to vehicles to environments. Give them a try for yourself.